Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sushma.
It's me, Anika.
Today, we're going to be doing the magic wand lava from the magic science kit because some people don't know how to do some experiments from this kit. So let's get started. But there's going to be something different. We're going to be using the instructions this time. If you guys can see, we're going to be doing the magic wand lava. So, let's get started. So, what all we need from our kit is red cabbage juice powder. Here is our red cabbage juice powder. And then we need some citric acid. Here's our citric acid. And then we'll also need some baking soda. Here's our baking soda. And then we'll also need vegetable oil. Here's the vegetable oil. And then we will need our test tube. This is our test tube to test things out and our stand. And then we'll also need our medium and small plastic spoons. And then we'll also need the wizard wand. If you guys are wondering what's inside the wizard wand, from our previous video, we did an experiment of putting these inside, so it doesn't have to be like this. And also, these things are from your kit, but we need some things that are not from your kit. We need some water, and we'll need a butter knife to stir things up. So let's get started. So first we need to add water to the test tube until it is 1/3 full. So let's do it. That's enough. We need to add I think that's enough. That's about 1/3. Now what we need to do is add 1 medium scoop of baking soda and stir it up. So where's our baking soda? Here's our baking soda. And we also need our medium cup. We'll also need our medium spoon. Then keep it inside our baking soda. Get 1 whole thing baking soda. OMG. Now let's pour it in. Drop it in. Oh. Now it's Anika's turn. While she's doing it, I'm gonna stir mine up. Just in case. Because that's what the instruction says. Anika's doing hers. Oh, that is over full. Could help her a little bit. Just smooth them out and she can pour it. Pour. The baking soda looks kind of weird for me. The baking soda just stuck there. Now we need to mix it up. So I'm going to mix mine first. And then Anika will get a turn to mix her things up. Here you go, Anika. Stir yours up. This is so exciting. But I wonder what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? I think that's enough, Anika. Now what we need to do is add a small scoop of red cabbage juice powder and stir it in. So our red cabbage juice powder is here. And we're gonna take it, and our red cabbage juice powder is in a Ziploc. It doesn't really look red. Comment down below if it's purple or red. I think it's purple. Then we're going to take a small scoop of this red cabbage juice powder. It's a juice powder. Then there, it looks brown in the outside, but let's pour it in anyways. Pour all of that in. Whoa! Look at that, guys! OMG, it looks like purple. It looks like blue for some reason, even though they said it's red cabbage juice powder. Look at that blueness, blueness. And where's our butter knife? We gotta stir things up. Whoa! We gotta stir things up.
It's amazing, guys. Mine's just turning into blue.
Here you go, Anika.
Let's
Stir yours up.
Done.
Good. Now what we need to do is slowly pour vegetable oil into the test tube until it is almost full. So not all the way to the top. I'll do that. Whoa. Whoa.
It looks
This
like bubbling.
Awesome, guys. Now, set the test tube in its stand and let the magic begin. This is our magic. Look at that, guys. Whoa. What can you see? All I see is blue. I don't know how the purple turned into the blue, but even though it said red cabbage juice powder. So let's move on. Then we need to wave our wizard wand over the test tube and say some magic words. So I'll go first. Abracadabra, alakazam. Your turn. You could say any magic words.
Abracadabra, alakazam.
Good job. Now you need to add 1 medium scoop of citric acid. So let's do that. 1 medium spoon. So we'll put the things down, because you guys don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to add this much to mine. It's going down.
Oh my God.
Whoa! Whoa! Pour it. Okay, hers is going down. I'm going to add more to mine. Oh my God! Oh! I think Anika's will love some more. It's going. Whoa! OMGs, guys! Hers is more like red, mine is more like purple. And look at those cute bubbles. There is blue, there's magenta, there's pink, there's purple. Comment down below what color
Mine's turned into pink like.
Whoa! It's kind of different. Hers is different, mine is different. And look at this, guys. It's light, and to dark. This is amazing. Well, look at the bubbles standing on top of her.
I can see some pink.
Look at the red kind of food coloring right on top of mine. Look on top. The red food coloring just left alone. Well, guys, I'm going to ask you 2 questions. Just comment down below. Do you think the red cabbage juice powder is red, blue, or purple? Comment down below. And do you also think that this experiment was cool? Comment down below. And also, do you think that the purple turned into a blue, then it turned into a red, or it turned into red, blue, purple, or any combination? Comment down below. Whoa, guys, look at that. Anika's is just fizzing.
Yours are like what? They're like sugar.
Sugar. Silly. Well, guys, before I end this video, I just wanted to say, don't touch it. Even if you touch it with your bare hands, wash your hands with soap and water. And when you're doing this experiment, the bubbles will pop up. When your bubbles pop up, all this mess will come. Don't touch it. Even if you touch it, wash your hands with soap and water. And also, if you don't want to wash your hands with soap and water, use a glove and you can put your hand in and then touch. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell. See you guys later. Bye. Magic wand lava time.